Continuous carbonization furnace. The continuous carbonization furnace can carbonize biomass pellets, wood chips, coconut shells, fruit shells and other raw materials into charcoal. The continuous carbonization furnace can carbonize biomass pellets, wood chips, coconut shells, fruit shells and other raw materials into charcoal. The combustible gas produced by pyrolysis is first removed and cooled by spray equipment. The condensation equipment removes wood tar, water vapor and other impurities in the gas, and then enters the furnace for combustion. The continuous carbonization furnace does not need to use external fuel during the rest of the working time except for the first start-up, which requires external fuel to heat it to the continuous operating temperature. The continuous carbonization furnace is suitable for 24 hours non-stop production to improve efficiency and output. Gongji Hongren Machinery Equipment welcomes your consultation.